Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap 29 Palms local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right experienced long-distance moving solutions to help make your move a lot simpler. We assist you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to beyond 1,500 miles. The right moving services make all the difference, and our team provides just what you require for your upcoming move. If you're looking for a standard move or a full-service move, we provide all the choices you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always simple to justify the price when choosing a California moving company. A better look at the advantages you get from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a wise choice. The time savings you get may make hiring a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. You will also get to eliminate the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our moving crew can make it simple to reach your new location without nearly as much concern. You never need to stress over spending multiple days handling your move when you select 3 movers to help. Moving locally may be very quick, and our team can deal with even a big move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our 29 Palms moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.